Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the right adapter and drivers so the car and PC can speak. Identify the OBD-ROMAN2 protocol and pick an interface that supports it. CAN is common on modern cars. Install the adapter driver on your PC, then the logging or dashboard software you'll use. Once done, plug the adapter into the car's OBD-ROMAN2 port, connect to the PC, and verify the COM port or network connection appears. This sets the communication layer for the rest of the process. Now you configure the link so data flows reliably. Open your PC software, select the detected COM port or network adapter, and set parameters like baud rate to match the dongle. Mismatch settings prevent reads. Choose the ECU protocol or auto scan, then enable live data. Map common PIDs, RPM, vehicle speed, coolant temp, to dashboard widgets so values display correctly. While mapping, run the engine or key to ignition to generate signals. This step converts raw packets into meaningful gauges and logs. Finish by calibrating gauges and confirming accuracy so your PC dashboard is trustworthy. Adjust ranges, units, and smoothing options, then save the profile. You'll want consistent logging with timestamps in CSV or JSON. Run a short drive test and compare readings to known values or a multimeter. If data stops or never appears, make sure the OBD port has power and fuses are intact. Check adapter LEDs, swap USB cables, reselect COM or network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.